Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard, and today I want to talk to you about 3 different ways that you can use Amazon to earn extra money online. If you follow my channel, you know that it is about finding online resources to earn extra cash. So today I want to give you 3 different ways that you can earn using Amazon. So the first way is Amazon Associates. It is actually Amazon's affiliate program where you can sign up and promote any of Amazon's products, and you can earn up to 10% of any sale where you send a customer. So it's easy to join. It's actually free. So these are the steps. You join, you advertise, you earn. And like I said on a previous video, it is simple, but it's not easy. So, you could look at that video and just and see what I had to say about becoming an affiliate for any product. But anyway, this is Amazon's affiliate program, Amazon Associates, absolutely free, and it is easy to join and start promoting. The second Amazon earnings tip that I have is the self-publishing platform that Amazon has. So you can sign up, and if you are an author or aspire to be one, you can sign up to Amazon self-publishing website, and you can create your first ebook or your first paperback. And this program is actually free as well, but a portion of your sales will go to Amazon. So because they got to make money too. So, and this is a video on the website. I'll play a little portion of it just so you can get an idea of what it is.
Okay, so the hard part is done, right? Not so fast. I mean, you knew what you were doing when you were writing the book, but publishing it? That's not your thing. Yeah, and neither are writing query letters, finding an agent, and lots more. I mean, you're a storyteller, not a publisher.
So yeah, and so that just talks about how you, if you're a writer, you're an author, that's your craft. You can leave it to Amazon to do all the rest for you. So that's basically what that video is about. So that is number 2. Self-publishing ebooks and paperback books through Amazon. These are both Amazon products. So they are from Amazon, the company. You can also sell on Amazon, which is also a part of Amazon's strategic way of impacting the marketplace. So if you sign up to become a seller, then you pay a fee, and with that, any product that you sell, there's a additional fee that's taken from the sale of each product. So that's how Amazon earns. They earn from the I think it's still $39.99 that it costs monthly to be a professional level seller. There's also another option where you can pay them by each product that is sold. At one time that was a $1 or $2 or something like that. I'm not exactly sure what it is now, but it's $40 to join as a professional seller to sell on Amazon. So, and if you need help with that, there are other YouTube creators that talk about ways that you can get started and what products to sell and what products are profitable. So you can research that, or you can there are different platforms where you can purchase coaching for finding the best products to sell, because sometimes you may sell something, and when it comes to all the different fees, you really haven't made any money. So you just got to be careful with with selling on Amazon. You just got to make sure you find the right product. So it is a lot of research involved in selling on Amazon if you're gonna be profitable, and that's like anything, it's a process. So you may, have to start by selling something and seeing how it works, and if that doesn't work, so it's trial and error. There's also a course that I've purchased that I've seen a lot of people have success with. I haven't dwelled into it deeply enough to have made any substantial success, but there is a program that I bought that I feel is a good program if you follow it the way it's supposed to be followed. I just have not done my part in it, so I can show you that. Now, this is a product by an Amazon coach. This is not a product of Amazon. So anyway, so it's an Amazon course, and it is, it has a lot of success stories, and there is research on what products to choose, and it tells you what are best sellers on Amazon. So it does help you if you're serious about becoming a seller on Amazon, and there have been many people who have had success with this program. I'm not going to tell you that I have, because I didn't do the work. So just to put that out there, I am an affiliate of this program though. So if you were to purchase this program from the description that I'll put down, on this, under this video, if you were to purchase it, I would make a commission off of that. But just trying to be totally transparent with you. So this is not a free program. The other two are free. So yeah, with that being said, those are the 3 ways that you can earn money utilizing Amazon.com. So, and also, if you want to become, and this is aside from the 3 Amazon things, if you want to become a YouTube creator, and you want to share your screen the way I'm sharing mine right now, you can go to, I'll put the link below, but it's free software. There is an upgrade if you choose certain functions, but I'll put the link below for the screen share software that I'm using. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, so you could either Google it, or you can go in the description, click on the link, and purchase. Well, not purchase. It's a free software to share your screen. So with that being said, that is my video for today, and I will see you back here tomorrow. I am still in the middle of my 30-day video challenge. So I'm doing videos every day for 30 days. I'm on day 9 or 10 or something like that. But yeah, so I am bringing you content on earning money online and making extra income utilizing internet resources. So thank you again for sticking with me through this video. It's been almost 10 minutes, and I appreciate your time, and you make it a great day. Thank you.